everyone. Welcome to Financial Freedom. My name is Tiffany, and today I have a rare video that will prove to you guys it's possible to get paid $2,000 a day with a done-for-you system. But real quick before we begin, let's have some fun with our joke of the day. So what did one toilet say to another? Be sure to comment your answer below and hang out with me until the end where I will reveal the answer. So guys, after years of living paycheck to paycheck, I knew I wanted more money, but I didn't want to lose any more time with my kids. My kids were already in school, and I was just missing out on a lot, and I felt like I have to work all the time just to make ends meet. I was so sick and tired of having to choose between gas to go to work and keeping the lights on in my house, and so my kids could have electricity, water, and things like that. Many years ago, I was the driver of the struggle bus. My bills were piling up, my stress level was through the roof. It wasn't until I found this one system created by financial gods that really opened my eyes to a different world. Now, if you guys are new and you're ready to learn how to live the laptop lifestyle, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss out on other opportunities to make money online. And be sure to watch until the end, and I'll show you proof from the Facebook group that this system really does work. So grab your drink of choice. I promise I don't judge. Personally, I've already had 2 cups of coffee since this morning. And then when my kids go to bed here soon, I will have a glass of wine or 2. So make sure you guys stick around, and I'll show you how to learn how to go from $0 to $2,000 a day without doing any work. So if you guys are comfy, let's talk about how to make money online without having to lift a finger. I want to introduce you to an opportunity and a system that I'm using so you guys can finally start seeing success. Because there is a good chance that if you ever thought about making money online or starting a side hustle to supplement your income, that this isn't your first time. The truth is, like many people, you might have failed in the past. I've been there. I know how it feels to struggle. First of all, unfortunately, this is part of the process. And second of all, it's probably not even your fault because most of the information you get from places like YouTube and webinars are bad. And this is true because most of the gurus, they give you information that doesn't tell you the whole truth. All you guys see is the end result. You don't see anything that goes on behind the scenes. But why take it from me? I'm just your average girl from Cincinnati. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I've tried it all before. And I'm sure you guys have seen these before where they paint an opportunity for you that looks fantastic. Retire on the beach, travel to Florida every other weekend. But then you guys get into the system and it's a lot harder than it looked. What's even worse is that a lot of these times they're scammers. They're teaching you how to do one thing and they make all of their money by selling the course and you'll never hear from them again. I've also been a victim of scammy webinars and false promises that nobody stands behind, but luckily I found something different and I found something that actually works. It's not MLM, it's not an Amazon affiliate or dropshipping or Shopify. Now these programs might work up front, but they're not going to produce the high generating income that you desire. And one reason that many people fail with these companies is that they don't have the right system in place. You can't take your affiliate link and spam it all over Facebook or Google or Instagram. One, because they will catch on and shut you down. And 2, because people, they don't want to be sold to. They're not just going to buy right away because you say so. For all they know, you could be a scammer. So you guys will need a system that lets you give something away for free. But I know what you're thinking, why free when the goal is to make money? The key to that is that 1, you'll capture their email so you can follow up. And 2, you guys will come across as knowledgeable and trustworthy. So when they see your name come through their inbox, they're more likely to read it and then buy from you as well. So then you guys will need something that allows you to offer upsells, which could be a membership or a 3-month supply of your product, all while continuously following up. So guys, most people won't, but after the first meet, it's going to take about 8 to 10 times of contact before someone commits to buying anything from you. So next you'll have to worry about your monthly fees for your autoresponder, your subscription, and anything that you do have to pay for. But the system that I use does all of that for me. I don't have to create or sell anything. The proof speaks for itself. And the financial gods have really created the product, the follow-up system, and everything involved with a high ticket affiliate product. So remember, it's not just a high ticket product, it's a high ticket affiliate marketing with the right program that's really going to make all of the difference. You have to have the right program with the right mentor to truly be successful. So I'm really excited for you guys. This is a hot opportunity. This is one of the best programs going on right now. There is still time to get ahead of the curve because not many people do know about it. So if you guys are interested, now's the time to jump on board, but you don't have to decide right now. All you have to do is take the first step by clicking on the link in the description and watch the presentation so you can see if this program is the right opportunity for you. And keep in mind, if you want to live the dream life that you desire and you deserve, the life that you see everyone else having, you have to take action. You can't just sit and wait for something to fall out of the sky because chances are it's probably going to be bird poo. And the first step of taking action is to click the link in the description and go watch the presentation and then decide if it's right for you. So I think it's really going to open your eyes to the potential of high ticket affiliate marketing and the potential that you can have as well. All right, guys, so did you figure out the answer to the joke from earlier? If not, or if you have, don't spoil it. But one toilet said to the other that you look a little flushed. Now, if you guys are ready to learn more about this system that's going to do all of the work for you, all of the selling, all of the telling, all of the follow-up, all while letting you keep 100% of the commission, and this is going to, I guarantee, triple the amount that you would make from your soul-sucking 9-to-5 job, then go ahead and click on the link in the description to learn about my favorite top producing high ticket affiliate system, the system that has allowed my husband, who went from being the primary breadwinner to now working part-time, which is kind of hard in his line of work. But this will also allow us to spend more time with our kids, take the multiple vacations a year that we dream of, all while I'm still bringing in a significant income while someone else is doing all the work for me.